Hello, everyone, and thanks for tuning in to our ongoing series on leadership habits. Today, we're going to explore a habit that can go unnoticed by some leaders, but which can really tank productivity. It is the tendency to allow negativity to persist.
And we're all busy and time can fly. We're working hard, taking care of business, and there are so many priorities and stakeholders to take care of, urgent concerns. But this can sometimes mean that we let negative situations and feelings go on for too long.
What kind of situations? Complaints and concerns that aren't addressed, conflicts that are mishandled or ignored, gossip, resentment when someone on the team is not pulling their weight and nothing's done about it, mistrust because nobody knows what's going on, and maybe employees thinking that their jobs don't matter.
Yeah, and it can seem easier to just kick the can down the road and deal with these problems later. But letting negative situations fester can lead to dire results, decreased morale, impaired teamwork, even a toxic environment and high turnover. So what are changes you can make if you realize that things could be better?
First, and most importantly, nip problems in the bud. Take quick and unbiased action when performance issues or conflicts and concerns come up. Don't wait. 2, establish effective and accessible communication channels so that people can express themselves in an appropriate forum and know they can be heard and that something will be done about it. 3, get better at active listening. Ask open questions about any tensions you perceive and pay attention to more than just the words that people say.
Number 4, deliver constructive feedback and celebrate successes of all sizes. Give recognition and appreciation to your team and encourage this among peers as well. 5, model the attitudes and the behavior that you want to see. Transparency, positivity, no judgments, an eagerness to learn from whatever happens, a solution orientation, respect for others, and work-life balance.
And remember, transforming the habit of allowing negativity to persist requires consistent effort and ongoing monitoring. By implementing these tips and making positive leadership a habit, you can create an environment where positivity thrives, employee morale is high, and productivity flourishes.
So please drop a comment below, letting us know about your experience with transforming negativity in the office. And thanks for joining us today. For more tips, check out our profiles for other weekly videos in this series. Have a great day. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.